Microsoft Office is one of the most popular productivity toolset in the world. That means if you're a content creator, you are likely going to come across an Office document at some point. So if you need to use, edit or create any Office document but you don't want to pay for it, there are several options available for free. In this video, I'm going to show you just one easy way to get Microsoft Office set legally for free. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Microsoft Office set legally for free. Now, this is a free way that Microsoft themselves are offering, and it includes all the complete Microsoft Office set. That means you have the document file, the Excel file, PowerPoint, Outlook, Skype, and all the complete Microsoft set for free. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you are interested in making monies online as a broke beginner, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So to get your free Microsoft Office set, head over to Google and make a search for Microsoft Office. After Google displays the search results, click on this one here that says Office 365 and you'll be taken to a page that looks similar to this. Now, as you can see here, there are two buttons. You can use the first button here that says Get Office, but this will lead you to the paid version of Microsoft Office. But that's not what we are looking for, isn't it? In this case, we are looking for a free version. But if you want to get the paid version, you can as well click here or the Amazon link below this video to purchase it on Amazon. It's all the same thing. So since you are looking for a free option, click on the sign in button. Now, you don't have to be worried if you don't have the login information to sign in, because you can create a free account on this page. Now take note, if you have, say, a Skype account or an Outlook mailing account, you can use the login information here. If not, you can just click on the create button and follow the on-screen steps to create a new Microsoft account. Creating an account with Microsoft is pretty straightforward and will cost you absolutely nothing to get an account created. In this case, you don't even need to give your credit card information, but you will need to give your phone number to verify if you're a real person or not. Now, after creating your account, you can come back to the login information page here and follow the two-step login process to log in. Now, since I already have an account, I'll just quickly log in. When you do that, you'll be taken to a page that looks similar to this with the different Microsoft Office set displayed at the top. Now, before I start showing you how to use the Microsoft apps, it's important to understand that most of the features offered in the standard paid version is included in this free version as well. But if you are looking for more advanced features, then you'll find that only in the paid version. But to be honest, for an everyday normal user, the features provided in this free version will be more than enough for you to use. Now, by using the free version, you also get a 5 GB of free space in your OneDrive cloud store to store whatever you want online. Let's now quickly go through these apps and see how you can start using them. Outlook, for a start, is the Gmail for Microsoft. That means you can use Outlook just like you use Gmail or Yahoo Mail. It's basically a mailing service. OneDrive, like I already mentioned, is a cloud saver and you have up to 5 GB of free space to use. You can pay later if you want more space. The Word file is one of the most used Microsoft apps because almost all businesses online use it. If you open up the Word file, for example, you can see that it has most, if not all, of the templates offered in the standard paid version. You can use Word files to create event flyers, resumes, sales flyers, and so on. You can even upload other documents to edit using this upload feature here. You can also see at the top here that it has almost all the basic features offered in the paid version. You can easily use these features to change the text size, color, or font of your document. You can use it to insert tables, pictures, shapes, and even links. After editing whatever Word file you want to edit, you can easily save it on your saver by clicking on the File tab here and selecting Save As. When you do that, you'll be given these different options to save your file. You can easily save a copy or download it as a PDF file. The same thing applies with the Excel app. It has different templates to choose from and the most basic features offered by any Excel spreadsheet. Now, the PowerPoint app is my favorite Microsoft Office app. Why? Simply because I use them to create slides. As you can see, it has tons of templates you can use to create your slides. Take for example, if you look at some of my slides on SlideShare, you easily see that I use just the templates offered with this free version to create the slides. Now, I'll not go on explaining what the other apps do in this video because I believe there are a lot of video tutorials out there on YouTube on how to use these apps. If you are using Windows 10 as your device, an easy way to use the Microsoft Office set is to make a search for Microsoft and pin it on your computer for easy access. You can easily pin any app on your device by right-clicking on the app and then choosing the Pin to Taskbar option. Now, anytime you like to use it again, simply click on the icon and there we go. So there you have how to use a Microsoft Office for free online legally. I hope this was another helpful video. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.